Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, artistic, stylish style ideas of hand embroidered flowers. These floral embroidery patterns are suitable for making them any type of, like you can use them as an all over embroidery pattern for your shawl, scarf, dupatta, even as an all over embroidery pattern for your shirts even as a very beautiful mini floral embroidery motifs onto your baby girl dresses. You can also decorate your pillow covers, cushion covers with the help of these very beautiful floral embroidery designs. Even uh, your towels, hand towel, bath towel, table mat, tablecloth, prayer mat would also be designed by making these very beautiful patterns of embroidery. Guys, in my daily videos, I try my level best to share creative and beautiful embroidery patterns with you. So if you really like my videos or this video, then please don't forget to like and subscribe, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could be notified with the new and more upcoming videos on my channel. After then, take care.